Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 16 minus 10 parenthesis 16 minus 10. So are you ready to solve? So let's go ahead and get started. So here we have subtraction, multiplication and parenthesis. So as we know, parenthesis has a higher priority than other operations. So 16 minus 10 is 6 and here 16 minus 10 and there is a multiplication sign. Now in subtraction and multiplication we have to give preference to the multiplication rule according to PEMDAS rule. So we already solved the parenthesis, then exponent is not given, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So 16 minus 10 times 6 is 60. 16 minus 60 is minus 44. So our final answer to this problem is minus 44. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.